Seriously? Hi. Okay, that was a funny start. Hi.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm just taking a re-entry for the shot. Okay, so what I want you to do is ये सोफा हम आउट कर देते हैं इसके लिए और ये दोनों चेयर्स यहाँ पे लगाएंगे. हाँ, एक उधर लगेगी सीट. This is your first block. That is my background. वहाँ मैं बैठूंगी. So you use the that.
You want to take the head for slightly more depth.
Yeah, but not the sofa. We'll put these chairs. Yeah, take it a little ahead. और वो blue थोड़ा सा रखना. Plant आएगा थोड़ा सा. Lamp आएगा. For this chair, you have this background. So you use the bookshelf. Okay.
And are we keeping the center table slightly?
Not really, but if you want, you can keep it.
If I see the suggestion के लिए है क्या?
हाँ. If you want, you can keep that over there. Or there is one. वो है ना एक छोटा वाला ना जो उस रूम में कॉर्नर में है. वो भी रख सकते हो.
See which one has. If other suggestion आ रहा है तो अभी रख दूँगा.
ठीक है.
Good to two frames के रखने हैं. Also we shooting full HD or 4K 25.
Full HD is fine. Cards हैं हमारे दोनों. ठीक है. और तुम बोलते हो ना कि कितने टाइम में कट होता है? Half an hour में कट होगा. ठीक है. So you have to find your window.
Between 24-26 minutes with the moment I find the window.
Yeah. And don't cut when the guest is talking.
Of course. The
Cut
moment
when
I
I'm
see
talking. हाँ.
there's a break or something, then that's what
हाँ. ठीक है. So you can start setting up and I'll start getting ready.
Today I will do all this.
Two, yes. Hello and welcome to the sets of Candid Confessions with Chavi. Okay, first things first. सबसे पहले मुझे कॉफी ऑर्डर करनी है. So today I have two guests coming on the podcast. One is somebody who talks about basically what is obesity exactly and how you should deal with it is something that she talks about. And the other guest is very interesting as well. He is a feng shui expert. I have a packed schedule. Uske baad I have a brand shoot as well. So I have to do my makeup so that it lasts me the whole day. So आजकल I'm finding it really difficult to sleep in the night. पिछले 4 रातों से मैं 3-3:30 बजे उठ जाती हूँ, जगराता करती हूँ, फिर नींद नहीं आती, फिर नींद आती है मुझे करीब 5:30 बजे and 6 o'clock is my alarm and I'm waking up very very groggy. तो कल रात में बहुत अच्छे से सोई. मैं 8 बजे सो गई. इनफैक्ट 8 भी बजे नहीं थे. I slept and I woke up at 5 and I'm very proud of myself that I meditated for half an hour and then eventually I got out of bed at 6 o'clock and went to the gym. उसके बाद और हमको ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाया. नहीं सॉरी, ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाने के बाद मैं जिम गई and now I'm here on the set. If you have any tips to give me about sleeping, please put them down in the comments. Melatonin में ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. No screens में ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. No coffee after 2 o'clock में ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. Magnesium मैं रोज लेती हूँ. कुछ नया है मार्केट में तो बताइए. दोनों का प्रिंट आउट मंगाया. Any other questions that you can think of?
So what I did the curtain out. Yes, it is on dust.
हाँ. You've removed the curtain from there.
Yeah, put it here because it is too jarring.
No, I like it because ये black मेरे को.
I can
I
put
don't
it.
like the black. I mean, you can make it even more compact
I'll show
if you
you
want.
the-
Yeah. Okay. Listen, you have to compose me in the middle. First of all, this is not center. It has to be both the frames have to be bang center.
Correct.
And headspace of both the block has to be the same.
Yes.
So adjust कर देती हूँ. See now, is the curtain looking better?
Yes.
वो का है लंबा वाला किधर है ना? खराब हो गया?
This one?
Yeah, I like it. थोड़ा सा plant can come inside, I think. ठीक है, I guess.
Yeah, you see, check in the viewfinder one, थोड़ा better लगेगा.
This is nice. So
Because that
he is in the center. He's in the center. He's a little थोड़ा ये, and you can get the bookshelf in. Just see. हाँ, ये तो मैंने लिखा था. ये can you please tell her that I want to ask her this question? She should be prepared because this is something she'll have to research. Opposite side of the flat. If she was watching.
Yeah, she was waiting for somebody to open.
Oh shit. Dr. Harjot Kaur. So did you ring the bell?
Yeah, I did, but
Nobody opened.
thank God.
I opened the door, she's sitting outside the door.
इधर है.
For a second I thought you're leaving.
Do you guys watch the podcasts after they stream? Like once you had given me a suggestion कि लीसा वाले एपिसोड में से ये इसका बना दो, फिर मैंने उसका बनाया भी था. So you should give those kind of suggestions, no? As a viewer,
Yeah.
what do you
Yeah,
think? This
of
is an
course.
important segment, and we can cut a reel out of that. You should give me those
Exactly.
every episode. You guys can also actually do that. Yeah, when you're watching and you feel कि ये छोटा सा segment एक 30 minutes पे आया या 20 minutes पे आया, इतनी देर कोई रुका कि नहीं रुका पता नहीं, but you should cut a a YouTube short or a Instagram reel of this content so that it reaches out to more people. That will really, really help me a lot. Okay, are we ready?
Yep, all set. Lights are all ready.
Okay, can I see the block? Everyone?
Just a second, I'll just turn the lights on. Should I sit there once?
Yeah, sit. You look good. I can shoot it with you.
I think next podcast, probably next, I'll only sit.
ठीक है. We can do 3 today. One with Sid. Okay, we are ready and the guest is going to arrive in 25 minutes. Now I'm going to get into the mood, in the frame of mind and actually prepare my questions while I also touch up my उखड़ता हुआ nail paint.
Oh my God.
Okay, I think we're good. You can put the lights
Good.
on. Yeah.
We finally got the Holly Land.
Yeah, man.
I was waiting for the DJI one. It's the same one. The only difference between
Huh?
that is
Huh?
the mobile connectors.
Huh?
For that is only on Type C. This has Type C
iPhone
and Lightning.
also.
Type C and Lightning. iPhone.
Lightning क्या होता है?
The iPhone 13s had that Lightning connection. No?
अच्छा, you call it lightning, is it?
Yeah, it's got the connector is called Lightning connector, and the new iPhones have got Type C.
Okay, that's
Type C.
I learned something new today. I call it the old iPhone connector. Even iPhone has only Type C, so
Yeah.
it's actually a step ahead. कि अभी lightning किसको
Correct,
चाहिए?
but now I don't want to upgrade.
We don't want to cater to people who are using iPhone 13 anymore. We want to move on in life.
But the thing is, if someone has a 13, will not unnecessarily
not.
upgrade because there's nothing new that has come out.
So one other
then
thing
you
that I feel that which one do you use? Which phone?
13.
13 only, ना? तो 15 और 16 में cinematic पे भी you can zoom in, zoom out.
Correct, but for that I'm not going to pay 1.5 lakh extra just to buy a new
I
phone.
just might because I like, you know, you shot my vlogs
Yeah,
for
yeah.
me where I like that zoom in zoom out kind of a feel.
Correct.
ना वो फोन पे अगर करना होता तो आता नहीं है. फोन पे या तो 13 पे या तो आप वीडियो मोड पे शूट करो अगर
Correct.
zoom in zoom out करना है. But that looks very bad in a background like this.
Correct.
Which is so, I mean, शुरू हुआ खत्म हो गया. You know, there's nothing to expose. But अगर आप cinematic पे करते हो तो या तो आप बहुत टाइट जाओगे या तो
Yeah.
आप बहुत वाइड जाओगे.
Yeah, you have the 3 lens option on that.
Yeah,
which is
2x, 3x, 5x also.
Yeah, but then again, that's what I'm just saying overall, not only the camera, because for me, I have my cameras.
I know,
I shoot the
yeah.
least on my phone. I don't like
Yeah,
shooting on the phone.
yeah.
In fact, the phone camera that I like the most is the S24 Ultra. The
S24 Ultra, really?
Samsung. The camera of that is really good. It's really good.
अच्छा ये दो वीडियोग्राफर्स मुंडी ला रहे हैं. Is it like,
Ability-
do they have that blurring option like cinematic?
Yeah, yeah. Wow. It has that.
You mean it's time for me to go back to Android?
It's always to have good to have 2 options because that's much better in low light comparatively.
Oh.
Plus, it's got a better
Now I have to have
stability.
both.
See, in terms of
I
stability,
mean I have to sell both kidneys.
Samsung is more. You'll find more good colors on it.
हाँ, okay.
And but again, कैसा है long. I'm using my 13 for 4 years now. Almost 4 years.
Wow.
There's no issues on it.
There are no issues.
There
यार.
are no issues
मतलब
on it.
2-2.5 साल तो I think मेरे को भी हो.
But if I would use a Android with the way I use it, वो 3 साल के बाद issues देगा.
हाँ, वो क्या लेंस में भी इशू आने लग जाते हैं. Then you feel कि
There are, yeah.
ठीक से क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. It's not shooting as well as it was earlier. So my husband uses a Google Pixel.
Pixel. Yeah.
It's also great, and sometimes I feel like the photo quality of that is far better than the iPhone 13.
Yeah.
Lightning connector. Okay, I'm gonna go back happy today because I've learned something new,
One
and I'm
take
also
today.
looking forward to learning something new from the guests, of course. There she is, ready. Yes, how can I help you?
Hi, Chavi.
Oh, you're much taller than I imagined.
Is it?
Please come in.
So good to see
Welcome to our sets. Come.
Thank you so much.
Please have a seat. Would you like something? Tea, coffee?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Water? Anything?
Water, I think yes, a little bit.
Tanush, एक glass पानी पिला दो.
Puneites find it difficult in Mumbai. It's
Sorry,
very
yeah.
humid, very humid.
Pune is better?
Oh, pleasant. You must come. You must come. Pune is so pleasant and it's so
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, Mumbai has become quite terrible actually. It's very difficult. I keep thinking मैं कपड़े क्या पहनूं रोज की जिंदगी में.
How do you manage with the makeup in Mumbai? I feel it
Yeah.
breathes.
So it's okay in the studio when there's
Yeah.
AC. Outside you cannot
It's
put on
crazy,
makeup.
isn't
It's
it?
quite crazy.
I'll give this back.
Yeah. Sound is okay. पानी है वो actually सिर्फ cup.
Yes. No, this looks better.
Yeah.
I can keep that here somewhere.
You
right?
can. मेरे को भी दे दो actually एक कप में पानी दे दो. Are we ready to rock and roll? Yes. No.
Nobody, nobody said
Nobody
yes.
is ready to rock and roll. Am I the only one? तो जिनका हमें बेसब्री से इंतजार था वो आ गई हैं और उनको आए हुए 1 घंटा हो चुका है. हमने बहुत ही डिटेल्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन की है ओबेसिटी के बारे में और वेलनेस के बारे में. शी इज एन ओबेसिटी कंसल्टेंट एंड एन एस्थेटिक फिजिशियन, यानी कि ब्यूटी फॉर हर इज नॉट जस्ट स्किन डीप, इट इज much more than that. That's Dr. Harjoot Kaur, and I'm very excited about the conversation that we just had today and looking forward to the podcast release.
So am I. Yeah.
Because obesity is something which so many of us are struggling with, and I think at a certain level being fit is just synonymous with being thin now, and we need more people like you who talk about obesity as a disorder. It is not something to be embarrassed about, or it is not something that we use to body shame people, but it is something that that really needs treatment, and I'm looking forward to that. अभी मैं आपका intro shoot कर लेती हूँ. ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि मुझसे पहले मेरे गेस्ट रेडी होते हैं. आज today is one of those few days. Hi there.
Hi.
I'm so sorry to keep you
No,
waiting.
No, my pleasure. Because you had requested early, so I thought
Yes.
I wanted to beat the traffic. So
It's so kind of you.
Welcome.
Actually, the previous guest was coming from really far and she got a bit delayed, so everything got a bit delayed
but
because of that.
we are still on time.
We are on time, absolutely.
God.
Oh, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you.
And something small for you. Wish you all the best in your life.
Oh, thank you. That is...
Feng Shui.
Thank
I'm
you
sure
so much.
you may like it when you see
Thank
it.
you so much. I'm sure. Can I offer you some tea, coffee?
Later?
Later?
Yeah.
Not during the episode. You want to drink something?
I just had water, yeah.
Okay. Dhanush, now मेरे को एक coffee दे दो please. Actually, there's some construction work going on in the building.
The noise comes.
Yeah. So 2 to 4 के बीच में वो बंद होता है.
So that's the time you want to.
Yeah, which is why I thought अगर मैं आपको 3 o'clock बोलती हूँ और 3 का
You
हमारा
overshoot with half an
yeah,
hour.
then I don't want to have mess the audio up.
Electrical electronics.
Electrical वो क्या होता है? वो different होता है.
Combination होगा.
Combination
electrical
होगा.
electronics.
And where
Those
did you do
days,
it from?
Bangalore University.
Okay. My father's an electronics engineer.
Okay.
And he did it from Punjab University.
Punjab is a very famous university.
Very first batch. He was the gold medalist of the very first batch.
Must be 50s, 40s.
Feng Shui.
Feng Shui.
I've always called it Feng Shui.
No.
Who else has called it Feng Shui?
Everybody calls it Feng Shui only.
Who else has called it Feng Shui? You haven't called it. You call it Feng
Monish
Shui.
has not called it anything. He has not ventured into it. He has not ventured at all.
He's not even heard about it. He doesn't call it anything.
Vastu you ever heard of?
Okay, guys, gearing up for my last for the day and looking forward to this also going smoothly. This is not a podcast episode. This is just a brand shoot that I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm so drained and exhausted today. You know, actually I feel कि ये जो podcast होते हैं ना, इनमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिमाग मेरा जो है वो यूज़ होता है. Technically I'm sitting down, but it's very draining because there is so much of information being downloaded in my head and I'm so engrossed in these conversations. It is exhausting. और उसके बाद हमने दूसरी shoot भी की, but the good thing is that it is only 6 o'clock and I'm done for the day. I can change and go home and sleep. I hope you like spending the day with me. Please don't forget to watch the actual podcasts because really I'm working very, very hard towards creating these conversations for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Being Woman with Chavi. This is me signing out. Love and peace from to you.